You can now allow your users to submit different types of files using WP Fluent Forms File Upload field. Just scroll to the File Upload option from the general fields and click on it. You can also drag and drop it. Or click on the plus icon on your blank form and select File Upload from the drop-down menu. Now, hover over the File Upload field and click on the Edit icon. Set your element label and button text. Then place your label at the top or left of the field, or none at all. Labels are shown at the top by default. Define your admin field label. Decide whether this particular field is required or not. Limit the maximum file size. Compose an error message to show in case the file size exceeds the limit. Now limit the maximum files count. Compose an error message to show in case the number of files uploaded is exceeded. Click the file format you are going to allow. Compose an error message to show in case the file format is invalid. You can do further customizations with the advanced options. For more details on the advanced options, click on the documentation link given in the description box. For more plugin updates and awesome tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit that bell icon.